If you travel often or would like to travel more, earning frequent flyer miles or points with an airline or its participating partners can help you get free flights and enjoy extra perks such as airport lounge access, free checked bags, and priority boarding. You can typically collect frequent flyer miles through an airline loyalty program, but there are other easy ways to boost your stash of miles, such as through eligible credit card spending. But if you've never used a frequent flyer program before, you may wonder how they work and whether they'll really benefit you. So in this video, we are going to discuss how to earn points while flying. Now before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Earn miles or points through flights. To earn miles when you buy plane tickets, you'll need to sign up for an airline's loyalty program. Because most major airlines are part of a larger alliance, joining one frequent flyer program will often allow you to transfer rewards to a dozen or more brands. For example, United Airlines belongs to the Star Alliance, an airline network that includes 26 airlines, including Air Canada, Air China, and Lufthansa. When you become a member of United's loyalty program, United Mileage Plus, you'll be able to earn rewards that can be used with other Star Alliance airline partners. Another major airline network is SkyTeam, which includes Delta Airlines, Air France, and Aeromexico, among others. There's also the One World Alliance, which counts American Airlines and British Airways among its list of partner airlines. After you fill out the enrollment form for the loyalty program you want to join, you should get an email, which will contain your frequent flyer number, confirming your account. You'll need to enter this number when you book flights in order to earn miles on those flights. Otherwise, you could miss out on earning rewards, though some programs allow you to add your number after booking. If you join a program and meet certain requirements, you can often earn elite status. For example, with Alaska Airlines Mileage Plan, you can reach MVP status after flying 20,000 miles in 1 year, MVP Gold status after flying 40,000 miles, MVP Gold 75K status after flying 75,000 miles, and MVP Gold 100K after flying 100,000 miles. Once you have elite status, you'll gain access to valuable perks that can make travel more enjoyable. Depending on your status level, you could earn waived baggage fees, early boarding, select lounge access, priority upgrades, and free seat selection. The higher the tier, the better the rewards. Earn miles with an eligible credit card. Travel credit cards, which include general credit cards that earn travel rewards, airline credit cards, and hotel credit cards, allow you to earn miles or points through eligible credit card spending. Many general travel credit cards allow you to earn flexible travel rewards, meaning you can typically redeem travel rewards with numerous airline and hotel partners. Airline and hotel credit cards, however, may only allow you to earn and redeem rewards with a specific airline or hotel brand. Additionally, the type of spending that qualifies for earning miles/points and the number of miles or points you'll earn will vary by card issuer, as well as the card you choose, since different cards have different rewards programs and rates. Most cards will give you at least 1 miles or points for every dollar you spend, allowing you to rack up rewards every time you make a purchase with your card. You may also earn a higher rate for purchases in certain categories with a tiered rewards card. For example, the Delta Sky Mileser Gold American Express card, which is a co-branded airline credit card that allows you to earn frequent flyer miles with Delta Airlines, offers 2 miles on purchases made with Delta, restaurants, and US supermarkets. You'll also earn 1 miles on all other eligible purchases. Often, you can redeem miles with partner airlines in the same alliance, but co-branded credit cards are generally best for travelers who are loyal to one network. Then there's the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, which is a general travel rewards card that allows you to earn transferable rewards. It offers 5 points on travel booked through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 5 points on Lyft rides through March 31, 2025, 3 points on dining, select streaming services, and online grocery purchases, excluding Walmart, Target, and wholesale clubs, 2 points on other travel purchases, and 1 point on all other purchases. Points can then be redeemed for 1:1 transfers to Chase airline and hotel loyalty program partners. Another perk of travel rewards credit cards is that they often come with a welcome bonus for new cardholders, which you can use to jumpstart your stockpile of miles/points. In most cases, you'll have to spend a specific dollar amount on a card within a set amount of time in order to earn a bonus. For example, the Chase Sapphire Preferred offers a welcome bonus of 60,000 points after you spend $4,000 within the first 3 months of account opening, which is worth $750 when redeemed for travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards. The Delta SkyMiles Gold Card, however, offers 40,000 bonus miles after you spend $2,000 in the first 6 months. Note that getting approved for a top travel rewards credit card is a little more difficult than signing up for an airline loyalty program. You'll generally need a good to excellent credit score and a low debt-to-income ratio to qualify for the best travel cards. If you're new to travel cards, take a look at the best travel cards for beginners first to make the card choosing process easier. Earn by buying, transferring, or pooling miles. Although the primary ways to earn airline miles or points are by joining a loyalty program or regularly spending money on a travel rewards card, you'll also have other options for racking up miles and points. Many loyalty programs allow you to buy miles or points if you don't have enough in your account to book your desired vacation. The process is usually easy and can be done through the rewards program portal. Keep in mind, though, that buying miles is often not worth it, as they tend to cost more than their redemption value. But if you're just shy of having enough miles to book your flight, it may be cheaper to buy more than it would be to purchase the ticket with cash. You may also want to buy points if they go on sale and you can get a good deal. If you need a few more points or miles to book a flight, you'll often have the option to transfer rewards. If you have a general-purpose travel card, you can easily transfer your rewards to any of your credit card issuer's partner airlines. You can do this by going to the card's rewards portal and selecting Transfer Points from the main menu. You'll then be prompted to select the travel partner you want to move your points to, as well as the number of points you want to transfer. Some transfers are instant, while others can take a couple of days to process. Most transfers aren't reversible, so be careful when entering the number of points or miles you want to move. Lastly, some loyalty programs allow you to pool your points or miles with family and friends who are members of the same program. For example, the Frontier Miles program offers a family pooling feature that allows you to share miles with up to 8 friends and family members. Earn through shopping portals and dining programs. Many major airline loyalty programs, including Southwest Rapid Rewards and Delta SkyMiles, have shopping portals you can use to earn miles on purchases you're already planning to make. To do this, you'll typically first head to a rewards program's shopping portal. Then, you'll check out the available retailers or promotions, or search for items you want to buy. Clicking through the portal will track your activity so that when you complete your purchase, you'll receive credit in the form of extra miles or points added to your rewards account. The best part? You don't need to hold a co-branded airline card to take advantage of these offers. For example, fans of American Airlines can join the AdVantage program for free and use their frequent flyer number to create an account with its online shopping portal. That said, paying for shopping purchases with a card that earns American AdVantage miles lets you double dip on rewards, getting you to that free flight faster. Similar to online shopping portals, airline dining programs let you earn rewards just for eating at select restaurants. You'll have to enroll in this type of program separately, as you do with the shopping portal. Once you have an account, all you'll have to do is use one of your linked debit or credit cards to pay for your meal at an eligible restaurant. That's how the Rewards Network, which administers these dining programs, knows to credit your rewards account with the appropriate number of miles or points. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.